Your home monitoring gadgets could be putting you at serious risk. It may sound unbelievable, but many users are unaware of the hidden dangers that come with their seemingly harmless tech devices. Consider this: you've just installed a smart camera, feeling secure with your modern upgrades. But what if connecting it to your existing security system actually opens a vulnerability? Instead of enhancing your safety, you could be inviting chaos. Many don't realize that not all tech works well together. Adding devices is like introducing a wild card into a carefully planned game. If one of those devices has a security flaw, it could compromise your entire system, leaving you exposed. Imagine being on vacation, confident in your setup, only to find your smart lock fails due to a software conflict. Suddenly, you're locked out, or worse, someone else finds a way in. Your excitement for tech can blind you to lurking risks. Hidden vulnerabilities in software or hardware can turn your home into a target. What seems like a harmless gadget could actually be a gateway for cyber intrusions. And let's not forget about privacy. With multiple devices streaming data, do you know where that information is going? A minor oversight in your settings could expose your personal data to prying eyes. It's not just about security, it's also about safeguarding your privacy. Now, let's raise the stakes. You've followed all the setup guides, but when was the last time you checked for updates or patches? Ignoring this critical step can lead to serious consequences. So, what can you do? Always research compatibility before diving into that world. Look for reviews on how well products integrate, not just their individual performance. Make it a habit to regularly update your devices. Think of it as a health check for your tech. Staying informed is half the battle. Join forums, keep up with tech news, and learn from others' experiences. You might be surprised by what you can uncover from their mistakes. As we conclude, remember your home is your sanctuary, but it can quickly become a tech trap. Before integrating new devices, take a moment to pause and reflect. Is your eagerness for upgrades blinding you to potential risks? Stay vigilant and informed. It could save you from a tech disaster. Ever had that unsettling feeling when something in your home just doesn't seem right? You're definitely not alone. Many of us turn to the gadgets to enhance our safety, but what if those devices are actually increasing your risk? It's a sneaky trap that can catch you off guard. You might think you are boosting your security, but could you be opening the door to hidden dangers? This isn't just about a faulty sensor, it's about the entire network of devices you rely on. Picture this: you install a sleek new camera in your living room, convinced it'll catch any intruders. But what if that camera is unknowingly sending your data to someone far away? It's not just a bad connection, it could be a hacker's entry point. Yet, many homeowners remain blissfully unaware of the risks lurking behind their screens. Now, let's consider a real-life scenario. You've set up your smart doorbell, thrilled to see who's at the door without getting up. But what if that doorbell is linked to your security system in unexpected ways? A simple firmware update could transform your safe haven into a vulnerability. Do you really understand how all these gadgets communicate with each other? Here's where things get tense. A friend of mine thought everything was secure until he received an alert from his own camera. Someone was accessing it remotely. This isn't an isolated incident, it's happening more frequently than you might think. Each gadget you add could introduce new security flaws. But don't lose hope just yet. You can take steps to protect yourself. First, be selective about which devices you integrate. Not all gadgets are created equal. Look for those that prioritize security features. Make it a habit to regularly check your network settings. This small effort can make a big difference. Regular updates and strong passwords can save you from potential disasters. As we wrap up, remember this: every gadget you bring into your home should enhance your safety, not compromise it. Reflect on what you truly need versus what's just trendy. In the world of tech, sometimes less is truly more. If this resonates with you, it might be time to take a closer look at what you've got plugged in. Your peace of mind could depend on it. Imagine walking into your home and feeling completely secure. But what if I told you that the very gadgets designed to keep you safe might actually be putting you at risk? Right now, millions are integrating home monitoring technology with their existing security systems, believing they're boosting their safety. However, many don't realize they could be leaving themselves vulnerable. Let's dive deeper. Consider those sleek cameras, smart locks, and motion sensor show often do you think about how well they mesh with your security setup. It's not just about having the latest gadgets. Understanding how everything connects is crucial. Picture this: you've installed a new smart doorbell that's supposed to notify you of every visitor. But what if it inadvertently creates a blind spot in your existing system? The device you thought was enhancing your security could actually be compromising it. Here's the kicker: many people assume that all brands work seamlessly together, but that's not always the case. Imagine waking up to find your smart lock did communicate with your security system during a break-in. The panic and realization, you can almost feel it. These situations aren't just hypothetical, they happen more often than you think. A neighbor of mine thought he was being clever by adding a security camera to his system. Weeks later, he discovered it was sending data to an unsecured server, exposing his private life to anyone with the right hacking skills. Can you imagine that? It gets worse. When gadgets fail to integrate properly, they can create security gaps you never considered. Your entire home could be at risk simply because a few devices weren't on the same page. So, what can you do? First, research compatibility before making a purchase. Look for reviews not just on the gadgets themselves, but also on how they interact with other systems. Consider investing in a professional assessment.